Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the essentials, at least 20% battery on both AirPods and your Android phone. Once done, open the AirPods case and press and hold the small setup button on the back for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes white. Make sure to open Android settings, go to Bluetooth, and tap Scan or Pair New Device. You're doing this because AirPods use standard Bluetooth protocols. Putting them in pairing mode makes them discoverable to non-Apple devices. You should now see AirPods appear in the Bluetooth list. Tap their name to pair. Once connected, make sure Android routes media to them by checking the Bluetooth device's audio profile and enabling media audio. Disable call audio if you prefer phone calls on the phone. Next, play a stereo track and record a quick voice memo to verify the microphone and left-right channels. Doing this confirms codec negotiation and ensures microphone routing. If audio drops, it highlights where to. You're almost done. Rename the AirPods in Android Bluetooth settings so reconnection is faster next time. If you lose connection, put them back in the case, close, then reopen and hold the case button to re-enter pairing mode and reconnect. If problems persist, perform a full reset. Hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then pair again. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth off and on and recheck profiles. Many intermittent issues resolve with a quick reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.